Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. In my last video I showed you how to make healthy modak recipe without using any maida. If you missed it, the link is in the description below, so do check it out. Today I'm so excited to bring this yummy and nutritious avial recipe made out of 10 different vegetables. The best part about this is the way all the vegetables come together. That's how people in Kerala unite together and celebrate this Onam festival. If you're wondering how to add more veggies in your diet, this nutritious and delicious avial recipe is for you. I grew up having this and I absolutely love it, and I hope you will like it too. There's plenty of tips, so keep watching until the end and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this I'm taking variety of vegetables. This one is ash gourd, one small potato. This is a kind of yam, one plantain that's not too ripe, carrot, one chow chow. You may use bottle gourd. This is very nutritious. French beans, one small raw mango, which I'm so excited about. And cucumber, that is Japanese yam. I live in Illinois. I bought whatever is readily available. You can also add drumsticks. I couldn't find any here. Cut vegetables lengthwise, more or less the same size so they cook evenly. Peel the vegetables, cut, rinse and then use it for cooking. Ash gourd is good for arthritis, yam promotes collagen, potato good source of potassium, chow chow improves liver function, Japanese yam rich in fiber, cucumber protects your cells, beans improves blood circulation, carrots good for your eyes, raw mango filled with vitamin C and green plantain is good for your gut. All 10 vegetables great for your health. Let's cook in Instant Pot. Press saute mode for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil which enhances more flavor. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Let it splutter. To this add 1 string curry leaves. Tear it in half. Some people add a tadka later on, but my mother used to make it like this where the veggies get infused in this flavor. Now add all the vegetables. Looks so beautiful and colorful. Mix it and add 2 cups of water for this quantity of vegetables. You may increase or decrease according to your liking. I like little thin with gravy to eat along with rice. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder and salt to taste. Give it a quick mix and then close the lid. I don't have to do anything else with this model. Press pressure cook button. Check the pressure level. I'm going to keep it high and set the time for 3 minutes. If you're new to Instant Pot, check out the video of this model. Link is in the description below. I'm turning off the keep warm button. Let the pressure release naturally. The float valve should be down. It says end, and now it's safe to open the lid. Be careful while opening. Hot steam will be coming out. Then check to see if the vegetable is cooked using a fork. Perfectly done and not mushy. Now let's spice it up. In a bowl, add 1 cup desiccated coconut and half cup water. If you're using fresh grated coconut, skip this step. I'm going to microwave for 30 seconds. This will help desiccated coconut to be soft and moist for grinding. Now add this to a mixie jar. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 green chilies. You can add more or less according to your spice level. Add 1 tablespoon yogurt and a little bit of water, maybe 1/4 to half cup. This will help grind to a smooth paste. In between add 1/4 teaspoon coconut oil. This will give a creamy texture. These are some tips that I am sharing out of experience. Perfect thick consistency, should not be runny. Add it to the cooked vegetables in the Instant Pot. Mix it all together using a fork. This is important. Don't use a spoon. We don't want the vegetables to get mushy. Gently mix well and now press the saute button. Set the time for 2 minutes. Let it simmer. This will help get rid of the raw flavor. At this point, taste and add salt according to your liking. I added around 1 teaspoon salt. For more flavor, adding 1 string curry leaves. After 2 minutes, turn off and let it cool down. In the meantime, whisk 3/4 cup sour yogurt and keep it aside. Make sure the vegetable mix is completely cooled down to room temperature. This step is important. Only then add the whisked yogurt and mix it all well. Now our avial is ready. Serve it in style. How wonderful and delicious this traditional dish turned out. My house is filled with yummy flavors. One last finishing tip. Add 1 teaspoon melted coconut oil and serve it with love. Your body is going to thank you for taking enough care to add more vegetables, and your family and friends will love it. Make this once a week. Add it to your diet and you'll see the difference. You saw how it's so good. Hope you loved watching it. Now it's your turn to try it and make it a part of your meal plan. Thanks for supporting this channel. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Keep shining, keep smiling. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.